this quick tutorial, I will show you Adobe Illustrator group selection tool. So let's jump on it. I am in Adobe Illustrator now. I am creating a canvas already and also created few primitive shapes. You can see the group selection tool. If I right clicking here, I can access group selection tool from here. So you can see that here is a group. This is layer 1. This is a group, and inside this group here is also nested group. So I am showing you now how to work group tool. If I click first time in the group shapes, please see that you can see that the shape, one shape is selected. This is the benefit of group selection tool, because it selects only one shapes inside the group objects. Okay, this is the benefit, and you can easily move from this if want change the position of this shape. Okay, so if I click second time, you can see it is actually working on hierarchy on the similar shapes, similar fill color or shapes it selected. If I click third time, you can see it is selected the entire group objects. And this is how it is work. So see, in this group you can see here is no nested groups inside this group. So I am clicking here. First of all, selected this shape, first shape. I can move it, and when I clicking second time, it is select the entire group objects. And this is group selection tool in Adobe Illustrator and how it works. So if you learn from this quick tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.